Hi, Darren from Race Guitars here. On the bench today, I've got a 1974 Telecaster, Fender Telecaster, and very well used. This one gets gigged, and the owner loves it. Says it would be the only guitar he'd ever use if he could. So it's coming today for check over. It's got a few electrical issues. I'm going to replace the pickups. This isn't the original. He wants the original Fender in. Set up. Once over, new strings, job's good in. Oh, heck. Oh, look at that, that's nice. Okay, so I've been through the electrics, checked all that. I've installed the new old pickup, cleaned the neck up and the frets, and now it'll be a restring, set height on the pickups, set up, put it back together and they're done.